There is a vegetable most people overlook. Not because it is rare, not because it is expensive, but because of how it feels. Slimy, sticky, unappealing. And yet that exact texture holds one of the most interesting natural effects on the human body. It can influence how your body handles sugar, how your gut functions, and even how your heart responds over time. The surprising part is this. It's not a supplement or a lab-made product. It is something simple, natural, and widely available. In this video, you will understand exactly what happens when you eat okra regularly and how to actually use it in a practical way. This is brought to you by Nature Fuel Wellness, focused on natural, evidence-informed nutrition for everyday health. What okra is really doing? When you slice open okra, you notice a thick, gel-like substance. This is called mucilage. It is a form of soluble fiber, and it behaves differently from most plant fibers. Instead of passing quickly through your digestive system, it forms a gentle gel inside your gut. That gel slows down digestion in a controlled way, not to block your body, but to regulate it. And that regulation affects several systems at once: blood sugar, appetite, even cholesterol metabolism. This is why okra is more than just a vegetable. It is a functional food.
Blood sugar control. One of the most studied effects of okra is its impact on blood sugar. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose. That glucose enters your bloodstream quickly if there is nothing to slow it down. This is where problems begin. Sharp spikes in blood sugar can lead to fatigue, cravings, and over time, insulin resistance. Okra changes that process. The soluble fiber inside it slows glucose absorption in the intestines. So instead of a sharp spike, you get a slower, more stable release of energy. This helps your body maintain better control over insulin response. It does not replace medical treatment, but it supports metabolic balance in a natural way. Gut health and digestion. Your digestive system is more important than most people realize. It affects energy, immunity, and even mood regulation. Okra plays a direct role here. The mucilage acts as a prebiotic substance. That means it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthier gut microbiome improves digestion efficiency and helps regulate bowel movements naturally. For people who struggle with constipation or irregular digestion, okra provides a gentle, food-based support system. No harsh stimulation, just natural regulation.
Heart and cholesterol support. Now let's talk about the cardiovascular system. Okra contains compounds that bind to bile acids in the intestines. When this happens, your body uses more cholesterol to replace them. Over time, this can support lower LDL cholesterol levels. In addition to that, okra contains antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels. It also provides potassium, which plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Together, these effects support long-term heart health, not through one dramatic action, but through consistent, small biological adjustments. Energy, metabolism, and body balance. Many people notice something subtle when they improve their diet. Their energy becomes more stable, less crashing, less sudden fatigue. Okra contributes to this by slowing down nutrient absorption and helping the body avoid rapid glucose fluctuations. That stability is what supports consistent daily energy. It does not stimulate the body like caffeine. Instead, it improves internal balance.
How to use okra properly. The way you prepare okra matters. Here are 3 practical methods. First, okra water. Slice 2 to 3 pods and soak them overnight in clean water. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Second, light cooking. Steam or lightly cook okra to preserve its nutrients and fiber structure. Avoid overcooking because that reduces its beneficial compounds. Third, soups. Okra works well in soups, especially when prepared with minimal oil and not overprocessed. The key is consistency. You are not looking for instant results. You are supporting your body over time. Important cautions. A few things to keep in mind. Some people may experience mild bloating when they first increase fiber intake. Okra also contains oxalates, so moderation is important for individuals with kidney stone history. And if you are on blood sugar medication, monitor your levels closely when adding high-fiber foods regularly. Balance is always essential. Okra is simple, but its effects inside the body are complex. It supports digestion. It influences blood sugar. It contributes to heart and metabolic health. Not through quick fixes, but through steady biological support. If you choose to include it in your diet, consistency matters more than quantity. This is Nature Fuel Wellness, bringing you natural health knowledge you can actually apply.